Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today we're going to take a look at summarizing our Jayco Jay Flight 197 MBW 2026. So to begin with, you'll want to make sure you put some water in your fresh tank. The fill is just right here in the back of the unit. We go ahead and just get at least a third of a tank for getting all the antifreeze flushed out. Make sure your fresh tank drain's closed up down there on the bottom as well. And then before we hop inside, we're also going to check that our tankless water heater is turned off on the master switch, so it's not trying to turn on while we flush the antifreeze out. Then we're just going to come to our monitor panel. So our water pump's already on. Whenever that switch is glowing red, that's turned on. Then we're going to go ahead and just flush the antifreeze out of all of our water fixtures on the hot and the cold side of each fixture. Alright, once that starts clearing up, switch it over to cold. Alright, then once we have it on that cold side, we're just going to flush all the pink out on there. A lot of times if it looks really aerated, it's good just to check down in the base of that faucet to where that clears up for you. We're not seeing any pink down there anymore. Alright. Go ahead and flush the toilet. And we make sure we get the hot and the cold of our shower. So once you get done summarizing, it's always a good time to do your pre-summer checks. Make sure you're checking tire pressure, tire torque, and then just going through your seals on your unit, your side seals and roof seals, looking for anything that might need touched up before the beginning of the year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.